everyone, today we're making this beautiful soft and fluffy breakfast buns. This is very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in warm milk followed by sugar, dry active yeast, and then I stirred till everything has come together. Once it is well combined, I went ahead and added in egg. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once the egg is added, go ahead and mix till everything has come together before going in with softened butter, vanilla extract, and the dry ingredients, which is powdered milk and flour. So I'm using all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour as well. Lastly, I added in salt and I mixed until it has come together, until it has formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, transfer it on your work surface and knead it from 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure you play with the dough. Have time for the dough. At the end, it's going to come out very stretchy and very light. You do not want a sticky dough, so before kneading it, sprinkle at least a little bit of flour, about a tablespoon of flour on it before kneading it. The dough should be of this consistency. It shouldn't be sticky at all. So play with it, knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, and you are good to go. When done, transfer it into your bowl, cover it with a cling film, and then let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Because it is summer season, 30 minutes is okay. But if you are in winter season, all you have to do is to let it rest for at least 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. So after 30 minutes, deflate the dough and transfer it on your work surface, but please sprinkle flour on your work surface before putting the dough on it. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour on the dough as well and then roll it up. You want to roll it thin. The thickness should be around 2 to 3 millimeters. Roll it thin and cut off any excess. That's what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Cut off the excess with the help of your pizza cutter, and then I measure 1 inch 1 inches with a ruler to cut the long stripes. It wasn't that perfect, but it was okay. My hands are not straight at all. Before rolling it, make sure you brush on top with softened butter before rolling it, and all you have to do is to go ahead, roll it, and you're good to go. Isn't it beautiful? This is beautiful. When done, arrange it in your baking tray and then cover the surface with a cling film. Let it rest until it has doubled in size before baking this beautiful girls. Before baking it, take off the cling film and bake this good girls at 180 degrees Celsius from 20 to 22 minutes. At least it should be from 18 to 22 minutes depending on the size of your buns. All you have to do is to go ahead and brush on top with melted butter when done baking, and you are good to go. If you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on it, and that will be fine. So I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this bread was very soft and fluffy.